Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a very simple tutorial on how to change your eyes colors in less than 2 minutes. Just follow me. First, let's get started with our image, which I took from Pexels. Let's zoom in. Yep, perfect. New layer, brush tool. And then make the brush size smaller and hardness about 25%. Select the new layer to hue and then select the color and then start to brush within eyes area like this. Yep, perfect. Another one also. Great. What we're gonna do now is duplicate the image layer by dragging it down to the plus icon and then select dodge tool to kind of make the eyes more brighter and more shiny, like this. That's perfect. Yep, I think that looks great. And if you want to change the color, it's very easy. Just select adjustments and hue saturation and just play around with the colors just like this. Yep, I think green looks cool also. And that was it. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.